Hello friends, I'm Esan from Bangalore Property. This is a independent house built on 30 by 45 North West Corner site, Khata, 4 BHK triplex house. Just 2 years back, this house was completely renovated. Owner built property, 30 by 45 site, 4 BHK with 4 bathrooms, east facing main door and 2 living rooms. This flooring was done just 2 years ago. It's a Blue Pearl Granite. In the common area, the Blue Pearl Granite has been used. New interiors were done. Well maintained house by the owners. East facing puja room, living, dining, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, utility space and car portico in the ground floor. Above 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms and 1 family hall is there. On the second floor there is another bedroom with attached bathroom. So here is the kitchen, completely modular kitchen. This was done recently. 1350 square feet of land area. Total 2850 square feet of super built up area. Single family house, very good location in Hebbal, Amruth Nagar off Airport Road. If you are coming from the city side, after Hebbal, right side is the Amruth Nagar area, opposite to Sahkar Nagar. Very good location, 30 feet wide tar road. Cauvery water is there. So this is the first bedroom in the ground floor. Spacious room, attached bathroom. So some of the woodwork which was in good condition has been retained, and the bedroom has mosaic flooring. Bathroom fittings are new. Central staircase with teak wood railing. Right behind there is a utility space. So this is the utility area. It was raining at the time of shooting this video, so you can see the drizzling. Secured with safety grill. Corner property, very good light and ventilation is there. Natural light is good in this property. 4 bedroom, 4 bathrooms. Now in the second floor, this is a family hall in the center. So below formal living room, this is a family hall. Same Blue Pearl Granite. There is a TV unit here. And this is the second bedroom. This has ceramic flooring, vitrified flooring, wardrobes, attached bathroom. And this is the third bedroom, again with attached bathroom and wardrobes. And this is the fourth bedroom. This has got granite flooring, latest interiors, attached bathroom, and rest of the area is open terrace. All these interiors is included, part of the deal. Good location of the property off Airport Road, Amruth Hebbal, North Bangalore area, 30 by 45 site. This room was also built 2 years back when the renovation was done. So you can see latest bathroom. Entire this second floor is new actually. Double door for safety. All other details are given in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.